Hello. So today we'll go through the use of the digital tools that we utilize in the course of our class today. So we'll use Google Apps, which can be accessed just by having a Google account. So this is my Google account. It's been registered on my Google Chrome browser. Right here, you can see this is the pane where you can have access to the Google apps. So if I click it, I should be able to see all the apps that I need. So this talks about my Google account. This is YouTube, where we'll be uploading our videos to. This is Google Search. Of course, this is Google Search. We are currently using Google Search. And then we have the Gmail, which gives us access to our mails, and Drive, which stores all our files, and Photos, where we can upload all our photos. But for this class and all our class activity, we'll mostly be using Google Docs, Google Slide, Jamboard. So let's start with Google Docs. Once you click it, it takes you to Google Docs. So if you want to make a new document, you just click blank document and it goes to a new document. So you have to put the title. So let's name it like Google Apps. And then the same thing as if you're using Microsoft Word, only that this is online. This is online. And because we are working in a collaborative environment, we need it to be online so that others can also have access to it. So we'll also keep a reflection journal whereby all our students, we need to fill in their reflection for the week, what they've learned for that week and what they think they can improve, or how they think they can apply the knowledge. So we'll have a reflection journal. So let's say reflection journal. And so week 1, I will share the template and the journal. So what the student needs to do is they need to log in, they need to go to the link that I share, and then they need to put in their details, like put in their name and then write the reflection for the week. Thank you. Okay, so week 1, so I learned about the process of social entrepreneurship, like that. So it's just your normal Word document. And then they continue. So as usual, make a copy, edit, insert. You want to insert a table, drawing, chart, all here. You want to change the format, they can all do it here. You can direct them. Okay, thank you. Then let's go and see a different app. Okay, Google Slide. So I already have this name card where we are going to they have to fill the first class, they need to make name tag. So they need to make name card. So let me use that. Okay. So they need to fill in this and also attach a photo, right? So let me give an example. So my name card, Primary school. They should write the name of their school. Class. Well, they can write their own class. So let's see, I am in postgraduate. Email, they have to write their email. So I use teacher21@gmail.com. Social interest. What is it they want to do for the society in the future? How, in what capacity can they add value to their society? So it's the same thing as asking them, what do you want to be in the future? So I want to be an artist, I want to be a doctor, I want to be a teacher, I want to be a nurse, I want to be a fashion designer, like that. So for me, I am a teacher. Hobby, what is it you like to do? What are the things they really love to do, the things that make them happy? So I love singing, crafting, watching TV, right? So to add the image, here we have, you could add text or we could add insert image. So we could add it from the computer. If we take on the option, of course, it is from our computer, what we have in our computer. We can search the web. Once you click it, it gives you options. So if I search cafe, it will give me an like this. So they can select. If you select, then you can insert. But that's not what I want to do. And then another option is from Drive. So already I have photos in my Drive. So once I click it, it will show me photos from my Drive. And then I can click. So I have this photo, insert, and then I could resize. So they resize it. They resize. So, however, if we don't have images in any of the computers in school, then we could use the option of using the camera. That is, if our computers. So they could also use the option of the camera if they don't have, we don't have the images on the computer or in the drive, then we could just take it from the camera. That is, if we have webcams on our computers. Yeah. So the thing with doing it online is it keeps saving automatically. So as you work, it saves. As you work, it saves. So every student should make a name card on this. They should all put in their name card, like fill in their details, attach a photo here, like that. So another app that we use frequently is Google Jamboard. So let's see, let me create here. And so it is similar to using sticky notes, during group work, we can use sticky notes. So for instance, sticky notes, post it, this kind of notes, So that's just what Jamboard is about. It's a sticky note app for sticky notes. It allows you to use colors to distinguish your ideas, for you to organize your ideas. So because it's brainstorming, we have to think, we have to discuss, we have to search, we have to write down, we have to note down all the ideas that we think. So as we're making them, we need to know how to group them using colors, so that's why we need Jamboard. So for instance, I put this as waste problem. So I write this, that waste problem in KB. So maybe I want to add an image about KB. So from here, I could webcam, or I could go to Google image and search KB state. So I want people to see where KB is in Nigeria. So I select that, and maybe I want to show more. So I insert, and I also want to show the problem of wastes. So yeah, I could just add any of this image to show the problem of waste. So this is wastes in KB state. So now the task is, let's discuss the waste problem we have in KB state. So the idea, okay, one of the waste problem we have in KB state is, then I put my idea. People don't know how to separate trash. That is one idea, my idea. So I put it, people don't know how to separate trash. Oh, someone else may think, okay, another thing is no proper disposal system. And then maybe the person decides to use a different color. Then someone else, another idea, or maybe my idea also, but I wanted it different because it's not the same. So maybe another idea, I'll think, oh, maybe because they there is no waste disposal bins. Okay, so here I decided, okay, no, I want to change my color. I want to edit it. I need it to be different color. I can change it here. So like that, every student can just put their idea. As it comes, they just write it. As it comes, they can write it. And with these sticky notes, we'll all be able to follow. I'll be able to follow what they are doing, what they are, like the ideas coming out from their head, because all we are trying to do is make them know that you can think and think and think creatively. Just keep thinking, because the human brain is, the power is limitless. So they could just keep thinking, keep thinking, keep thinking, keep thinking. Oh, another problem is, it may be that too much trash, too much trash. Yeah, that is a problem. That is also part of the problem. Too much trash. There is too much trash. You just drink a Coke and then you throw it. You get another Coke, you throw it, you dispose, you just trash it instead of reusing that bottle instead of, so there is no reuse. There is no recycle, no recycling plan. So like that. Oh, it could be a different thing. Okay. It's densely populated. Too much people, right? Too populated. Oh, it could be that, oh, the place is a slum. Slum, waterlogged, like that. So this is has to be with the topography. Graphy. So they just keep giving their ideas. Then later, we have to now decide, okay, which goes to which, because the ideas are similar. So here they don't know how to separate the trash, no recycling plan. So this could come together, no proper disposal system. Okay, this could be together. No disposal bill, this could come together. Too much trash is because of too many people. So this is similar. This has to do with the physical aspect of the place, the environment. So it could stand. So like that. Then at this point, we can decide to edit and just change the color. It should all go green because they all fall into the same category. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So, and also we will use YouTube. YouTube. So the idea is we use the school's YouTube. So with YouTube, I'll open my YouTube channel. So this is my channel. I have some videos that I made. So yeah, I love making stuff. So this is some of the crafts that I made. So on YouTube, when you have your own YouTube channel, then you can upload a video here. And then once you upload it, you go through all the steps of uploading. And then from here, we can all have access to the videos. So their presentations, everything we have to be uploaded to the video, to the YouTube channel. Okay. Thank you very much for your time. Thank you very much. Okay. Until next time. Bye.